Hello everyone and welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to explain you which construction software is better between PROCORE and Autodesk. So basically, I have here a list with the different pros and cons. So you're going to start with PROCORE, which is best for large construction teams needing a full project lifecycle platform. They offer powerful tools for project management, financials, bidding, and field tools. They also have excellent mobile app and strong subcontractor collaboration, widely adopted across general contractors and construction firms. The downside is that it can be expensive, some features feel bulky for small teams. So overall, it's a robust all-in-one platform for complex construction projects. Now, Autodesk Build is best for teams focused on design and construction workflows. They offer strong plan document management, RFI, submittal tracking, deep integration with Revit, AutoCAD, and BIM 360, better for design to construction continuity. The downside is that it's slightly less intuitive interface, requires Autodesk ecosystem familiarity. It's ideal for design-focused teams or BIM-heavy construction workflows. So these are the pros and cons. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.